In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Google Calendar with Jane app 2025, step by step. If you want your schedule to stay in sync across Jane and Google Calendar, you're in the right place. Before we begin, make sure you have access to your Jane account with the right permissions and you know which Google account you want to connect. A desktop browser is best for this setup, and if you use a pop-up blocker, consider temporarily allowing pop-ups for this process. Start by signing in to your Jane account. Use the login you normally use for your practice. If you work across multiple locations or roles, confirm you're in the correct profile so the calendar sync reflects the right schedule. Next, open your account settings. You'll usually find this under your profile menu or a gear icon near the top of the screen. Inside settings, look for options related to your personal account rather than organization-wide settings, since the calendar connection is tied to your user. From there, navigate to the calendar integration area. Depending on your layout, it may appear as Calendar Sync or Integrations. If you don't see it, you may need an administrator to grant access. It's important to be in your own practitioner account, not a shared one, to avoid syncing someone else's calendar by mistake. Choose Google Calendar as your provider. This tells Jane which calendar service you want to connect and opens the secure authorization process. Now sign in to your Google account. A Google window will appear asking you to choose an account and approve permissions. Select the account you actually use for your work schedule. Approve the requested access so Jane can create and manage events. If nothing appears, check your browser's pop-up settings and try again. When prompted, choose the specific calendar to sync. If you have multiple calendars in Google, select the one you use for appointments. Keeping a dedicated work calendar helps prevent mixing personal events with client bookings. Double-check the time zone and make sure you're not selecting a read-only or shared calendar that you can't edit. Finally, confirm the sync. Jane will connect to Google and begin the initial sync. This can take a few minutes, especially if you already have a busy schedule. Once connected, refresh your calendar view and verify that an upcoming Jane appointment shows in Google. If it doesn't appear right away, give it a moment or try a quick refresh. That's it! Your Jane appointments should now display in Google Calendar, keeping your day organized across devices. If you ever lose access or switch Google accounts, repeat these steps to reconnect. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined schedule.